Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, here is the Forex sentiment meter. As we all know, Forex sentiment meter shows the position of the retail traders. And usually we see market moving always in the opposite direction of the Forex sentiment meter. So here is our beloved gold, and we can see here 77% retail traders have taken short position and only 22% have taken long position. And you can see the average short price is right now 1860 and gold is standing at 1927 right now. This is the current market price, and the average short price where 77% have taken short position is around 1860 level. So this is the main reason why retail traders lose money in the market, because we do not exit from our positions when we see that the trade is not going well or the trade is going against our expectations. So my dear friend, if you're also sailing on the same boat, if you're also doing the same thing, then please try to exit if gold starts going higher. This is my request, because you can see on the news gold gains for third week on banking sector tension. Gold prices ticked up on Friday and were on course for a third consecutive weekly rise as the global banking crisis sent investors flocking to the safe haven metal. So overall the sentiment, market sentiment is very bullish on gold. So if gold starts going high, then please protect your hard-earned money. Do not gamble with your capital and try to exit. And if you look at the chart of gold, then you can clearly see that we do not have any proper levels also. The best levels are far away from the current market price, but the sentiment is very bullish. So as a result, there's a high chance that we may see gold going higher in the next coming days. Before we proceed further, I would like to mention about Chart Prime, who have sponsored the today's video. Those who want to generate their own buy and sell signals, please watch the video carefully, because Chart Prime is one of the best custom indicator service in the trading world right now. With the tools available in Chart Prime, you can not only generate buy and sell signals, you can also use these tools in your analysis for additional confirmation. They also have a trading community on Discord where they post regular trading ideas. Trust me guys, I have been using Chart Prime for a couple of months and their service is really awesome. If you really want to know how these indicators work, you can just go to their website chartprime.com and just go to the tutorial section. You will see the functioning of these indicators. Okay, my dear friends, as we are traders, we believe in probability. So I won't say that these indicators are 100% accurate, but with proper risk management, you can definitely make some money. Let me show you. This is the 50-minute chart of gold. You can see the signals generated by Chart Prime. Okay, see possible reversal down. See, it means that we need to take a sell position here. Possible reversal up means we need to go for a buy position. Possible reversal down means we need to go for a sell position. If not trend reversal, at least you can expect 40-50 pips on daily basis with the help of the software. But yes, the tool also generates false signals sometimes, because 100% accuracy is not possible, as we all know. But yes, the accuracy is certainly very good. Along with the buy and sell signals, you can also see that they have an oscillator where they also provide the overbought, oversold, divergences and many other things. Just watch the tutorial, you will know all the things. You can just go with the 1 month subscription and just try out the product yourself. I'm very much sure that you will love the product. And my dear friends, if you use the link in the description below, you'll also get 30% discount. You may also scan the QR code available on the screen for faster registration. Check them out. So at first, let's have a look at the chart of DXY. Okay, so DXY, as expected yesterday, DXY came to the support of 104.27. Okay, we talked about 104.27. It bounced. Overall, it tried to recover but market came down again, and right now market or DXY is standing at the second support level we talked yesterday, that is 104.08. So my dear friend, overall the things are not very positive for DXY and bond chart. So as a result, gold is bullish, the sentiment is bullish. So if DXY breaks this level, if DXY breaks 104.08 level, then things may be very difficult for DXY. We may see further sell on the chart of DXY, because you can clearly see on the chart that if this level is gone, then there is no proper support here, and we may see DXY heading towards the level of 103.50 again. 103.50 again. So if DXY starts moving towards 103.50, then just imagine what will happen to gold. And if we look at the chart of bond, US 10-year bond or 2-year bond, whatever it is, okay, then the bond chart, okay, as we all know, bond chart is also very bearish. Things are not very positive for a bond, and yes, in the coming days there is a possibility that bond may go down. You can see here after this recovery, okay, there is some consolidation. Market is trying to break the level but unable to do so. Let's wait and watch. Okay. Right now the time is very difficult. Okay, it is the market has become very fragile. So again, I'll say, if you're a swing trader, positional trader, then this is not the ideal market for you. This market is ideal for day trading. Okay, day trading, quick entry and exit is the only solution in this market. In my 9 to 10 years journey in the market, I have learned so far is that you need to be very flexible with your trading style. Okay, now without wasting any time, let's talk about gold first. Okay, so this is the chart of gold here, and the strong support levels that we discussed yesterday are still the same. The strongest support is around 1873 to 1874, and then we also have support around 1888 to 1885. This is the strongest support, and this is also more or less a very good support. Already in my previous video I have explained the reason behind considering these support levels. So right now you can see that market, okay, market is squeezing, okay, market is forming a symmetrical triangle kind of a pattern. Means when market is going down, it is not breaking the previous low, and when market is going up, it is not breaking the previous highs as well. And symmetrical triangle pattern is a bilateral pattern, so usually it means that there may be a breakout or breakdown, nobody knows. For example, in ascending triangle pattern, okay, in ascending triangle pattern, okay, we get to see a move towards the upside, so it is considered as a bullish pattern. Descending triangle pattern is considered as a bearish pattern. Means we always wait for the market to break the support and go down, but symmetrical triangle pattern is a bilateral pattern. Okay, but usually, okay, usually it is seen that market usually go for a breakout. Okay, always go for a breakout in the direction of the overall trend. So right now gold is bullish, so there is a high chance, high possibility that gold will be going for a breakout. If it goes for a breakout, then it may be a big one. Though we have some resistance around the previous high of 1937, but if a breakout comes, then 1937 will not be able to hold the market. Okay, so be careful. Okay, so the support, strong support levels of 1888, 1885 is there, 1873, 74 is also there. Do we have any proper support on the chart right now? Okay, these two are the only reliable support, sadly. Okay, and one more support is also present on the chart, and that is around 1908. This is also a support on the chart right now. In case market shows a big drop, you can look for some buy around this area. If market takes support, then only look for a buy. Okay, because the strongest supports are quite far away, so as a result we are stuck with the medium level supports or weak support or resistances. Similarly, if market goes up, then we do not have any resistance, no resistance on the chart of gold right now. For day trading purpose, okay, you can look for some sell around this area, around 1936 to 1938. If market goes up during the day, and if the volatility of the market is not very high, you can look for some selling around this area. Okay, but overall market is very uncertain. For additional confirmation, look at the chart of US government bond. You can also look at the chart of DXY. Okay, but again I'm saying things are not very clear right now. See, usually I prefer to give clean answers, whether the market is good and good, bad, bad. Okay, but in this type of market, okay, we do not have any clean answers. We are not sure about the possible movements of the market here. Okay, so as a result, I'll request everyone that please follow strict risk management in this type of market. So if market comes down during the day, okay, if market comes down during the day, you can look for some support around the trend line here. Okay, around the trend line here, which is also acting as dynamic support, but this trend line is also not very strong, very fragile. Around 1920 level, okay, around 1929, around 1921 level, if market comes and bounces, you can look for a buy position of 20-30 pips max. This is the only trading opportunity that I see on the chart of gold right now. I'm extremely sorry I'm unable to provide you levels, because this is the condition of the market right now, and you will have to understand that not all charts are ideal for trading. You should also learn when not to trade in the market. So this is my opinion. You may not like it. Feel free to write down in the comments section. Bye bye. Take care.